Today we are going to unbox Rapo VT9 Pro gaming wireless and wired optical mouse. The features are lag-free wireless 2.4 GHz and wired mode, up to 8 Hz wireless pooling rate, 50 G acceleration, 11 level adjustable lead top distance, 10 programmable buttons, rechargeable battery, up to 160 hours battery after a full charge. This is really a nice gaming mouse. I really like it. This is the on off button. This is the side button, left right button. There is another two button, and this is the charging port. And by pressing here you will get the connecting dock. The lithium battery is 800 mAh and compatible with QI wireless charging. No more replacing batteries thanks to the built-in eco-friendly lithium battery. You can even charge it wirelessly via QI charging and enjoy wireless gaming in style. Wireless charging module sold separately. I will upload a full video soon. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.